For his final
Country
hook, we
state
got
of
Chris
mind.
Hilfiger out of Nelson, Pennsylvania, the Overkill. The way this truck's been running this season, you'll probably see more of these guys putting those funky looking wings on the back of their pulling truck. Or not. Or not.
Well, he don't need no fancy clothes.
2025. Here's Wild Bill.
He don't need no fancy car.
And that is,
He don't need no fancy friends. And he don't need no pie to go. 'Cause he's in a country. He's in a country state of mind. Well, he's in a country. He's in a country state of mind. Well, he don't need to punch a time clock.
That's the one you think flags.
And he don't need no nagging wife. And he don't need to hear no screaming kids. He don't need to watch the news. 'Cause he's in a country state of mind. He's in a country, he's in a country state of mind. 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 He's in a country. Yeah, he's in a country state of mind. He don't need no fancy clothes. He don't need no fancy car. He don't need no fancy friends. He don't need no pie to go. 'Cause he's in a country. He's in a country state of mind. Well, he's in a country. Y'all, he's in a country state of mind.
back in Black.
He likes the simple life. Turn off the news and live.
That was a nice looking hole, too.